Hey, this is Melody from Melody's Makings, and I am just going to quickly show you how to tie a slip knot. So a slip knot is a very simple knot that slips into a larger and smaller size and can be really useful. You're going to start by wrapping the yarn over your hand as shown, and you're going to wrap it back up towards the top of your hand so you've got an X there in the middle of your fingers. Then you're going to place your thumb onto that X in order to hold it in place. And you're going to take the index finger of your other hand and you're going to push a loop through in between your fingers. So you've got this loop coming underneath this loop here. You can see that's what it looks like when I'm not holding it with my finger. And then this is going to be your slip knot loop here. So at this point you can drop those other ones off of your fingers. You can drop them all off of your fingers if you wanted to. And then you grab the slip knot loop and you grab the two ends and you simply pull. Pull them in the opposite direction. And then as you can see, if you pull on the working end, I believe, yep, if you pull on the working end of your yarn or whatever material you're using, if you pull on the working end, the knot's going to get smaller, and if you pull on the knot itself, it's going to get larger, thus making it a slip knot.